Hello student, once again welcome to our mathematics class 8, chapter number 4, practical geometry, exercise number 4.3, question number 3. See student, don't be confused. You are having a pen which I am writing here, standard 8, exercise 4.3. Question number 3. Is it? Yes. Ready? See here. Yes, here. HER. Here is our parallelogram of given measurement which I already given in homework. I hope so. You already drawn. Now look at here how it is made up. Yes, rough sketch is here. Draw a line segment HE of 5 cm and angle 85 degree with the help of protractor at point E. Vertex A is 6 cm from E to A. Draw an arc and make the EA of 6 cm. Yes, my dear student, third one. Vertex R is 6 cm and 5 cm away from the H to A, respectively. Taking radius as 5 cm and 6 cm, draw arcs from point H and A respectively. Yes, my dear student, here is your arcs which gives you a correct point, intersecting point HEAR. Here, join the points HR and RA. Your parallelogram is ready. Yes, correct. 3 sides are there. Fourth one. A rough sketch of the quadrilateral is given below. A rectangle. OKAY. 7 cm and 5 cm. In a rectangle, all angles are 90 degrees. Correct. So draw on one side OK or KO 7 cm, 90 degree how to draw, you are knowing very well. Once again I want to show you how to draw a 90 degree. Just draw a line. OK, good. Now from K you can draw an arc. Yes, my dear student, correct. From the point here, intersecting point KO, draw an arc with the same radius. 2 arcs you can draw with the same radius. Yes, my dear students. Now from point here, intersecting point here, draw an arc on the top of this one. Again the same radius, keep here point and draw an arc here. You are having a 1 point dotted. Join this one, both one, which gives you a exactly 90 degree. Why? Because this is a 60 degree. Yes, this is another 60 degree, student. But I don't want 120. I want 90. So 60 is half is 30. So this is a 30 degree. This one is 30. So 30 plus 60, which gives me a 90 degree. Yes? Clear? Any doubt? No. Good. See, the points are there. A 5 cm, just cut it. Now point Y is left. We are knowing how to draw Y. 7 cm from A and 5 cm from A. Student, once again I want to tell you, this is a 5 cm arc, this is the 7 cm arc. Because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Good. Join these both points, your quadrilateral is ready or rectangle is ready. How much time it taken? Only 4 minutes. Your homework time. Last exercise 4.4 and 4.5. 2 more are there. 4.4 having a 2 questions and 4.5 having a 5 questions. We will move a little fast. Construct the following quadrilateral DR. D is equal to 4 cm, E is equal to 5 cm, AR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle E is equal to 60 and angle A is equal to 90. Now students, it is very easy given. Second one, quadrilateral true, TRUE. TR is equal to 3.5 cm, RU is equal to 3 cm, UA is equal to 4 cm. Angle R is 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120. Answer 1. Rough sketch of this one, we can draw it here. Yes, DER. Now clear idea with you. Start very fast. D is a 4 cm base. Base means niche ki line. Yes. Draw the line segment D is 4 cm, angle 60. We are knowing very well at point E. Now as follow 5 cm away from this one, and from there 90 degrees there. Angle A is 90 degree. And it is given on point R 4.5 cm. Understood? See 90 degree, 60 degree, how you taken? Clearly. Your points are ready. Join the DR. Correct. Quadrilateral DEAR is ready on your screen. Rough sketch. First point. ट्रू का रफ स्केच देखो इधर है TRUE. जो भी मेजरमेंट दिए स्टूडेंट्स उसके मुताबिक आपको ड्रॉ करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल RU 3 cm with the help of protractor or with the help of pair of compass you can draw it 75 degree and 120, but my best advice you can draw with the help of pair of compass only, because which is helpful to you in your SSC exam. Okay, easy. Just I want to show you where you are moving. Yes, 120 is very easy one. 60 and 120 very easy with the help of pair of compass. Good. 4 cm away from you, draw an arc. Good. Now from E, you should have to draw point T. From R, 75 degrees there, 3.5 cm. Then after at last, you have 2 points T and E, join T and E, your quadrilateral is ready. Easy or hard? I said na, that is very easy. Just see how the construction gets over. I challenge. Up to now this year's every students are getting full marks in this chapter. Suppose 4 mark question is there, you are getting 4 marks. 2 mark question is there, 2 marks you are getting completely without losing any single mark. If you started wrongly, your first step is wrong, your construction is wrong. That's why I said number of times, draw a rough sketch before starting a final answer. And don't rub it. Keep it within your answers. Yes, good, very good student. We will moving on our final exercise 4.5. Practical geometry. Question number 1. Draw the following square READ where RE is equal to 5.1 cm only given. क्या करेंगे बेटा? Yes, you are right. Square has all sides equal. That's why in question only one side measurement is given. Second point, all angles are 90 degree. बात खत्म है, आपके सामने है सब कुछ. That's why I said number of times, read the questions carefully. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. You will get the answer from question itself. That's a mathematics. Mathematics is not a hard subject. Very tough question. You are making yourself that questions are very tough. Very difficult to solve. When you are reading the question more than 2 times, you will get answer steps from question itself. Why the one measurement is given? Think. Second, read the word square. You will get the answer. All the sides of the square of the same measures and also the internal angles of a square are of 90 degree. Therefore, the given square can be drawn as follows. Rough sketch. आपके सामने है. Will you make it? Yes. Good. Start RE. RE को 5.1 ले लिया बेटा. 90 डिग्री बना दिए बेटा. कैसे बनाया? Yes, you are knowing very well. Both the side, not one side. Both are 90 degree. Correct. And arc 5.1 centimeter. Cut it. 2 points are having there. Yes, A to D are there 5.1 centimeter from E and R. And then join A and D. Your reed is ready. See. Is it? Easy? Question number 2. Draw the following rhombus. Draw a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeters, 6.4 centimeters long. दो diagonal दे दिए बेटा. Answer is ready. Rhombus में क्या होता है बेटा? Yes. Both diagonals are bisect or cutting at the 90 degree. पता चल गया बेटा? Good. तुम बना सकते हैं अभी. Rhombus बनाने में कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है. 5.2 and 6.2 both are the even numbers. You can take any one as a base. Yes, we can draw rough sketch. बना दिया आपने ये ABCD. कोई भी नाम दे सकते. If name is not given, you can select any name. ABCD, PQRS. Okay. The name is given. Reed, jump, gold, band. You can follow that one. Rough sketch is ready. 2 diagonals. We can start from first one 5.2 as a base AC. Bisect. I said number of time and once again I can take it. Point A is a base. More than half of this AC. Half के ज़्यादा लेने का एक point ऊपर एक point नीचे. Arc. Same way now, same measurement, same radius. From point C, draw an arc here and an arc on here. 2 points are there. 1 point is here, 1 point here. Join these both lines with dotted lines. You will get 1 point O. Why I get the O point? Because I want to draw another measures. Yes, 6.4. 6.4 का half कितना हो बेटा? 3.2. So from here 3.2 I can make an arc here and an arc here. 3.2. 3.2. Why 3.2? 3.2. This 3.2 will give me a 6.4. Our second arc here. B and D. B and D is equal to 6.4. That's why from center O I can make an arc from O to D 3.2 and O to B 3.2. Is it clear? Yes. Knowing very well. That's why here I am showing here 6.4 divided by 2, which is gives me a exactly a rhombus ABCD of given measurement. Look at here. Your rhombus is ready. ABCD. Clear? Very nice. Now question number 3. Draw the following. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. Rectangles adjacent sides, students. Once again I want to remind you, adjacent side means this one. Baju baju wali. This is a 5 cm and this is the 4 cm. Name is not given. You can select any name as you wish. Try to draw ABCD. A, B, C, D. What is the here? Outside here is also C and D. So A to B is 5 centimeter and A to D is equal to 4 centimeter. Adjacent side given, that's why here, not opposite sides. And in rectangle we are knowing opposite sides are equal. If AB is 5 centimeter, then CD is also 5. If AD is equal to 4 centimeter, then BC is equal to also 4 centimeter. Isn't it? Yes, correct. Now start with our rough sketch. Rough sketch is on your screen. Observe carefully. Yes, student. Very good. Now start from AB 5 centimeter, angle 90 degree. Don't forget to give this 90 degree. Rectangle and squares, all angles are 90 degree. At this point, we can draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of pair of compass. Some students are using directly protractor. That is a very bad thing. Students, once again I remind you how to draw this one. From A point, you can draw an arc of any measure. With the cutting point on AB, draw an arc on given arc. Again from this point, you can draw another arc. You are having 2 points on the arc, 1 point here, 1 point here. Is it or not? From there, you can draw on the top side 2 arcs. Center are different. Now you are having 1 point here. That's the intersecting point of this one, and draw a line through A. For our convenience, we are not giving any name. Otherwise, you can give name here X, Y, Z, and P. Point P. Is it not? Yes. So here you can give here also name M, N, O, K. So from B you can draw an arc which is cutting point M. Now from M is the center and cut the point which is cut on N. From N you can draw an arc that is cut on O. From N you can draw an arc here on the top side, and from point O also you can draw an arc with the same measurement of same radius which cuts and gives you a point K. Now join B and K. Is it easy? ये समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Correct? So here we are giving the name of the point intersecting, but try to avoid it. You are the now A standard student. Correct. Now I am having the both 90 degrees angles, and measurement of A to D is 4 centimeter and B to C also 4 centimeter. Cut it. An arc, not dot, cut it. Scale is there, you have to use the pair of compass. Student, don't forget it, pair of compass chahiye. Join C and D. Don't rub extra line. Don't rub extra lines. Okay, if you are too big, then rub it, but some parts should be there. Dekho, I also kept ABCD is our required rectangle. Anyone in doubt regarding this one? Last questions of this exercise and this lesson also. Draw the following parallelogram OK, OKAY, not OK only. Where OK is 5.5 centimeter, K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. तो पहले तो आपको रफ डायग्राम बनाना बेटा. इसका मेजरमेंट लिखो. कहीं से भी स्टार्ट करो, कोई बात नहीं. ओके आपने ऐसे बनाया बेटा. क्या करेंगे? Base OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Draw now from point K at convenient angle. कोई एंगल बना दो बेटा. जरूरी नहीं ऐसा एंगल है. करेक्ट. Because it's a parallelogram. I draw here with some angles 60 degree. Okay, why I selected 60 degree? Just see magic. Draw a ray at point O parallel to ray K at the vertices A and Y at 4.2 centimeter away from the vertex K and O respectively. Cut the line segment K and AOY. कैसे बना दिया बेटा? I drawn here dotted lines because I draw first of all here of some radius, any radius, an arc from K. Same way I can draw an arc and from O. Center is O. Now from point here I can make it one cut here. Same way I can make it from here to one cut here. I am having two cuts from one O to this cut, draw a line, and from K and this point, draw one line. Easy? Yes. Now K to A and O to Y both are the 4.2 centimeter perfect. From K you can draw an arc 4.2 centimeter. From O you can draw up to Y, give the name Y, and join YA. Join YA. Okay, still now some student has the doubt how this K and O got. See student, first of all draw a line. My line is not straight. Want to get a straight line? Yes. Chalo, straight line banate beta. Little bit okay. Give the name O and K. What is the size of this one? 5.5. Take any radius of a pair of compass and draw from K as a center. K को center रखो बेटा. एक line बना दिया. An arc, not line. Draw an arc from K. With the same radius, draw an arc from O and extend this line on the opposite direction with dotted lines, or you can use anywhere. Now intersecting this OK, I am having one point here. With the same radius, I will cut this our previously drawn arc. Same way, I will make it a center here now and draw an arc from here. Yes or no? Yes. Or you can take a big size. Suppose this is 60 degree. Again you can draw second arc. Because our picture is little bit this way. Otherwise, if I am starting from here, it is my 60 degree. So again I can draw here second arc. 60 plus 60, 120. That gives me a obtuse angle. Yes. Because in our answers, it's an obtuse angle is given. Or you can take a big size arc. Now draw the line passing through this one. Same way here passing through this one. 60 plus 60, 120 is there. Some students take little big size, no problem, which gives also more than 90 degree. Otherwise what happen? If I starting from 60 degree, तो कैसा मिलेगा बेटा मैं आपको समझाऊं. तो मेरे पास ये पॉइंट हो गया, मेरा एंगल हो जाएगा ऐसा. That is also parallelogram. Don't worry about student. In this our answer picture is showing like this way, but in my drawn here just now it's like this way. Slope is this one. Slope means yes, ऐसा ढलान मिल गया, ऐसा ढलान मिल गया, कोई बात नहीं, मेजरमेंट सेम रहेगा बेटा. नाउ O टू Y, इधर तक का डिस्टेंस है 4.2 सेंटीमीटर. स्टूडेंट, हाउ टू गेट इट दिस वन? बाय कटिंग दिस वे with the help of pair of compass and scale. Take the measurement 4.2 centimeter. Student, adjust 4.2. Is it or not? Yes, 4.2. Now point is on O and cut the our drawn lines at Y. मिल गया बेटा? दिखाई देता है? My face is also there. My pair of compass is also there. कहाँ रखने का पॉइंट? O पे रखने का है. सेम वे K पे रख के आपको उसको लेने का है A. K to A 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. गड़बड़ मत करना. And hold down the pair of compass properly. Now you have 2 points A and Y. What you will do now? With the help of compass, you can join this both point or join Y to A or join Y and A. Our rectangle, parallelogram. Is it a rectangle? Sorry, this is not a rectangle. This is a quadrilateral. Okay? So here, I think so you all are having a clear idea how to draw a quadrilateral with given measure. Once again we rewind and remind, both things are there. Quadrilateral means square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, parallelogram. 6 words you have to remember. Parallelogram and square, rectangle. Difference you should have to keep it in your mind. Rhombus and square, both all 4 sides are equal. But square, all angles are 90 degree. Yes, correct. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Parallelogram also, opposite sides are equal. But rectangle, all angles are 90 degree. Parallelogram, not that one. That's why all rectangles are parallelogram, but all parallelogram are not a rectangle. So these types of questions make you a confusion, but if you have a clear idea, clear concept, you will never lose a single mark. I hope so you understood this all differences and constructions. Why you are drawing? Because constructions which makes you a confidence and a clear concept of a quadrilateral. What is the meaning of quadrilateral? Have you remembered anyone? No. No, not knowing. Yes, quad means 4 and lateral means side. Quadrilateral. 4 साइड वाला कोई भी फिगर बनाते हैं उसको क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोलते हैं. And this 4-sided is nothing but say 2 triangles. See. This is a 2 triangles. You can start from here or you can start from anywhere. See student, ये आप ये triangle ऐसे ले सकते हैं या ऐसे 2 triangle ले सकते हैं. Clear? Yes, my dear student, this is one triangle, this is second triangle. Yes or no? Yes. Or you can take from this one or this one. Okay. So here we end up our today's sessions. I hope so you understood all the questions and solve perfectly yourself. Take care. Be safe. We will meet our next chapter. Till there, bye bye.